Clear, Chetan, up to here?
Yes.
So on the path, how we added? How to add text. Again, I'm showing, see, after creating a shape, shape should be in the pen tool path. It should be in the path shape only. Now you can go with the text tool and you can type at this position. So the same text you can repeat again by copying from here, add a space, Control V, space, Control V, space, Control V if you want one more time. So now this text, again, if you want to move outside, so you can keep it like this. Right, Chetan? Clear?
Right. Yeah.
So with the same text, inside also you can add text inside, inside this path shape. So first of all, you have to do one more thing. Create another layer, and whatever the path we are created previously, that is joined with this. So select this path. Basically what the path, again we have to create in another shape, in another layer, sorry.
Okay.
Same, I'm creating one more path. For example, for suppose you want to fill the about Mother's Day celebrations international wide, that matter article you can fill into this shape.
Okay.
So this is the positions I have selected, and here I'm just adjusting little bit. So now inside of this, I want to fill the text tool again with a different color. So we have done one more mistake at this place, that is pen tool option. When I selected, okay, this is there in the proper shape only. So select this and now go with the it is not activating that option. So it is also adding on the same position actually. So but I need one more text layer. So this path is also joined together on the same text, whatever I created right now. No, this path is not, I'm unable to create a duplicate. But so here I'm going to add a new shape, not completely on the first border. So I'm just maintaining small gap. So in this position, but still it is okay. I think what is going on is it is already having one of the path on the layer, right?
Right.
So basically, it is selecting with the same layer where it is already added with the pen tool path. So I'm unable to add this text again into the inside shape. So we can do one way, like we have to create another one more new file, and here that shape again we have to create with the pen tool. So like this. So now I'm trying to fill this gap. So here I'm going to add with 24 or something, or 30. So I'm just filling the entire heart shape with the happy friendship day. So whatever you want, you can write it down, and you can change colors also according to the each shape and all.
Okay.
So this kind of art we call as typography. Means typography means actually what the letters or font or text, how you are using to impress the customer or a client or a person, uh,
Mhm.
how you are explaining your words towards a particular project or particular concept with the help of good uh, letters and font style and everything. So
Okay.
that is what creatively we have to do. So that we can call as typography. So typography we can also use to create some kind of image based shapes. Okay, now this is what image based shape that I created, and I'm moving into the another image file.
Mhm.
But still here I'm facing some issue. So I activated another text layer because the previous layer, whatever is there, that it is creating a problem. So I'll put at this position, but still I'm facing the issue. Maybe the path is not allowing me to place at this position again. Then we can do one thing. Select the text here. Okay. See, this path is there in selection, right?
Right.
Can you see this path now? If I select this text, see,
Yeah.
there is a path, right?
Right.
Now this path, right click, this path we have to click on Control Enter. It converts to selection, then Control D. Now there is no path. Again, I got the path. Wait, one second, once again. If I am deleting the path, I'm unable to see the text. So I think we have to keep this text. So we can't do the same concept, or we can't able to connect this text into the another layer. Then here what we can do, same whatever the text path shape we have, just Control D, I mean Control Enter to convert into the selection. Now it is completely done. Now whatever the text layer I have, that I'm importing into this and just place. Now I got finally. Okay.
Okay.
So what I did is I went to that this particular layer where the heart symbol is having the or filled with the text inside, and I pressed Control Enter by selecting the path. So it is converted to selection, right? It is not a path
Right.
now.
Right.
So that is text, I move to the previous file. So where I have the outline text as well as the internal text I want to place at this position. So now I'm scaling and adjusting exactly to match with this. So that is done. Understood?
Understood.
So you can create a different kind of designs, and you can also fill the text on a person's face. So how to do that, I'll show you now. So I'm going to use the tiger face. Okay. So in the face of tiger or a lion, it is not tiger, it is a lion. I'm just selecting rough face selection up to the hair part. Okay. Now in this area, just fill the text inside with Arial bold or impact. Impact looks good. Impact is a very thick based text tool. Okay. And you can add more text also. So whatever already is there, that I'm adding repeatedly. Okay, Chetan.
Okay.
I just filled the same text, whatever it is showing by default.
Yeah.
And just fill this and change the color to color with white or something. So now I can see completely white. Okay. So whatever the background line I have, that line image number is D8, D0, right? The file name is D8, D0. Okay.
Okay.
Now here I'm choosing this same image. Go to filter. Oh, 1 second. Select the layer. Select the layer, Lorem Ipsum. Go to filter. Here we have a distort displace. Okay. Distort displace from the filters menu.
Okay.
Select the option and rasterize the text layer to normal image layer, because rasterize means what? Basically it is a text layer. So if you type by activating the text tool, then only you can able to remove a particular layer and you can type the another layer. I mean another letter. Okay.
Okay.
You can type another letter by uh, retyping with the old text. That is possible with the text tool. But if you want to erase or if you want to add a paint or cut, that is not possible with the text tool by default. So here is the option we have is resize, rasterize. The rasterize means it converts the text tool to image editing, image based. So whatever we do basically with image editing, like color correction, erasing, cut tool and all, the same all tools we can use with the this particular uh, rasterized image. Okay, after converting.
Okay.
So now I'm clicking with rasterize. Now text tool icon was gone. Text tool icon was gone at this position. Okay, now again
Okay.
I'm back. Control Z I have done. So I'm just going with the same distort, displace, and select the rasterize. Then it asks to, after rasterizing, directly it will ask to displace with the horizontal and vertical manner. Okay. So with this value, I want to add one of the image. Okay. So in the D drive, I have this image, line image. So that I stored in maybe uh, D drive or somewhere. Photoshop position. Or into the downloads. In downloads, it's not there. This file location I have to find out. DA, 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 DA. Yes, it is there in G drive. Okay. Copy the path Filter, again go with the distort, displace, rasterize, click on OK, then choose the file. Sorry, it is having some issue.
Okay.
That's why it is closed. So I'm going to do the same process again with the line image. So now I know where it is exactly, and I'm going to do the pen tool path. So roughly in a fast manner, I completed the creation of path. Then so go with combine path selection option. So now we use the text inside. So once the text was filled, convert this into rasters directly from here. You no need to go and again no need to convert this. So directly it is converted. So on the text, now you can apply filter, distort and displace. Click on
Okay.
OK. Then choose the G drive file, Photoshop. And whatever I have selected previously, G drive, Photoshop, D8. Choose here. Okay, understood here. One thing
Yeah.
also we have to do one more. That is what the same line image. First of all, you have to save as a PSD file format. This is not there in PSD. Okay,
Okay.
the without text, save this line image in a PSD file format. PSD file format. Okay, so
Okay.
click on save. Now activate the text layer. Go to the filter, distort. That's the because of that reason we are unable to get the output previously. Now we will get the output. But it is closing. I think here I'm getting some problem with Creative Cloud. Creative Cloud is a supporting file with Photoshop. So that PSD file was saved. So the text was completely filled, changing the color. So everything is done. Convert this into rasterized type. Now we can go with the directly distort, displace. Then we can choose line image, click on open. See now, the text was embossed according to the line image. Can you see the roughness, line image
Yes.
as per that.
Yes.
The background I'm filling with another color so that you can observe very clearly what we have done.
Mm-hmm.
See, as per the line shape, the tiger, I mean, the text was molded little bit. Can you see
Yeah.
the nose position, eye positions? They are tweaked little bit as per the image. Okay.
Okay.
Now what I'm going to do is, here the background is my line image and foreground is there with the text, right? From the text layer, I want to see the lion.
Mm-hmm.
From the text layer, I want to see line image. Okay.
Okay.
So keep the text layer down and keep the line image at up position. Okay.
Okay.
Then here, if you right click, you can see create clipping mask.
Mm-hmm.
Create clipping mask.
Anything.
So what it does, the down layer text, it helps you to work as a opacity for the upper layer or upper image. Okay.
Okay.
So where the text is there, that text only supports to the line image to display, and remaining line text between areas there is no text, means it will hide the line image. Understood?
Mm.
Where the text is there
Understood.
exactly, from there you can see the line image, and where the text is not there, that it shows empty area. See this now? See, from the text, you can see the line image.
Yeah.
Then where we have a background with transparent, you can fill with some other color or alt backspace to fill the gray shade. So now see this, from the text, you can see line image. So this is called clipped mask. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Clipping mask. So to activate the clipping mask, you have to right click on the upper layer and show the down layer as a clipped mask.
Mm-hmm.
So if you want to remove the mask, just click on release mask. Release mask. Then we have again clipping mask. It is. Okay. The shortcut for clipping mask is Alt. So for this line image down between these two, if you click Alt and if you show between position, see, it is showing the arrow symbol down, right?
Right.
If you place your mouse cursor at the middle of two layers, it shows the arrow downwards. So if you click on it, so automatically the line image will add into the text. So this is what clipping mask. In last session already I completed layer mask, and here I explained the clipping mask. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So we have done with the text options. Okay. In next class, we will discuss about brochure or a poster designing. Okay.
Okay.
With the help of fonts, and we'll prepare one of the design template. Then we will add the completely image based composition, and we'll prepare
Okay.
completely one poster designing. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Then in that concept, we will also discuss the mask tools again. Okay, then. Bye.